Okay. We're alive! I'm gonna kill this bug.
Did you get it? Looks like the fly beat the man. You should break dance.
I do not break dance.
Well, then dance.
I can't dance.
Back up.
You know I can't dance.
I'm sorry for y'all that get seasick, but...
Call this drunk. See when in an attic.
Stop it!
That right there is some sort of a bee.
That's half of a bee, guys. Just to let you know.
Video removed for animal cruelty. Too bad it was already dead. If I'd got a live one, I'd be screaming and falling out this window.
And we're off.